Welcome back. I'm Jason Sirois, and this is How's the Market Denver for our very first episode of 2022. Today we're going to be talking about the market trends at a higher level than usual. I typically bring you the month-over-month statistics, and today we're going to be talking about the year-over-year, comparing the macro trends, taking a look at what we saw in 2021, comparing that to 2020 and years prior in a couple instances, so that we can continue to make smart decisions whether you're buying or selling real estate in the Denver area. Let's do it. Back-to-back double-digit returns in home appreciation. The last time we saw this from year to year was 2015 and 2016, as well as 1998 and 1999. So what's going to happen in 2022? Nobody knows. Anybody who says that they know doesn't. But here's the thing that we do know. Demand is remaining exceptionally strong and supply is remaining somewhat constant. So it's important to remember the basics of economics. When demand goes up but supply remains constant, what happens to prices? They skyrocket. We can expect this level of demand likely to continue as long as the interest rate environment remains low. Now, of course, low is relative. If you're talking to somebody who bought a house in the 80s, they were buying houses in the teens for their interest rates. As long as we remain in this sub 4.0 interest rate, there's a good chance that the money that people have saved during the last couple of years is going to be going towards home ownership. So a couple things to consider. Thank you, Nicole Ruth, for sharing this. There are 3.3 million people in the Denver metro, and we have 1.4 million households. Now, of course, not every household is not a one-to-one ratio that we need because we have families involved, but this is a large discrepancy. So we have a housing shortage in general, and not just a home buying shortage, a housing shortage. If you're in the rental market, you're probably understanding that, hey, it's not easy to find a great rental in the right areas that meet other criteria that you're looking for. Not to mention, we just had a tragic fire in Boulder County. The Marshall Fire displaced 1,100 homes, not people, homes. And all these folks who were not in the buyer pool have been thrusted into the buyer pool, which was already strained with high demand and low supply. So with this all in mind, let's dive right into the stats for what happened in 2021. The median sale price in Denver Metro reached 19.78%. 19.78%, folks. This is so big. You've heard me say this before, but a lot of people are making more equity in their home values than they are making in their salary. That is a bonkers statistic. In the detached market, median sale price ended with $599,990. In the attached market, $381,500. Total closed homes, we were up 0.29% from the previous year. Now, last year, we set an all-time record, and we have just beat it yet again. In 2021, we sold 63,684 homes. That is the most ever for a single calendar year. So this is the point that I'm making. How can you have an inventory shortage yet sell more homes than ever before? And again, it's important to look at the whole big picture here. Yes, there are more buyers for every home that goes under contract, giving the perception that there is no inventory. So at the end of the day, you got to be fast and write strong offers and negotiate hard. Median days in the MLS. In 2020, it was 7 days. That was neck breaking. Last year, it was 4. This is light speed in terms of real estate transactions. Now, this is the median. That means half the homes are closing faster than that. So what that means is when a home hits the market on Thursday afternoon, showings probably begin. Friday all day, you have showings and the offers start to fly in, by the way. On Saturday, the bulk of the offers are already in, and by Sunday, the seller is likely going to choose from the variety of stellar hero offers. So you got to make your offer stand out, and there's another video for that coming soon. Now, looking ahead, there are a variety of questions that people are asking and just thinking about, whether you're on the buy side or the sell side. And this isn't, by the way, just unique to Denver. This is a nationwide situation we have ourselves here. So question number one is, will 2022 be another double-digit appreciation year? I don't know, and anybody who claims to know doesn't, but we do know that the economics are remaining strong for demand and supply doesn't seem to be catching up. So that equation typically equates to high appreciation. But of course, picking stocks, picking your favorite meme coin that's going to pop straight to the moon, it's a fool's game, and we don't know what's going to happen. When will things return to normal? I'm going to say normal with air quotes here. We really don't know. When supply catches up or when interest rates pop up and demand reduces. That is going to help level things out where there's not going to be 16 offers on every home that's in a good area that's turnkey. We might see a softening of the market where there's only 5 offers on a home, which historically is fantastically strong. So we have a long way to go to make up inventory or just to keep up with the demand that we're seeing still. So should I wait to buy or sell? Well, that's totally up to you. And it's really circumstantial. If you have one of those unique properties that maybe the buyer pool for your property isn't quite as large, there's a good chance that now is a great time because there's such a large buyer pool and people who are unable to win the homes that they really, really love. So they might be willing to go to something a little bit more unique, say. But if you have a great home in a great area and it's in fantastic condition, you can certainly wait, and chances are when you live in a place where people like to vacation, like wonderful Denver, your home is always going to be in high demand. At the end of the day, it's important to keep an eye on the real estate trends. Follow DMAR, watch these videos, follow me on Instagram, and you're going to continue to see what's going on, what's the pulse of the market, so you can stay smart to make great real estate decisions, whether you're buying or selling or investing, whatever it is. So again, hey, I'm Jason Sirois. Thank you so much for tuning in to a year of health, prosperity, wellness, and great memories. Be well, stay smart. Talk to you soon.